Welcome to Throttle Channel. We are open and honest about automotive reviews. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button for updates whenever we upload our content.
Today we learn clutch control in under 5 minutes. Learning clutch control in under 5 minutes may not be sufficient for mastering the skill, but I can certainly provide you with a basic understanding of clutch control for manual transmission vehicles. It's important to note that becoming proficient at this skill will require practice and time. Here's a quick overview. Clutch control basics. Get familiar with the controls. In a manual transmission car, you have 3 pedals: the clutch pedal on the left, the brake pedal in the middle, and the accelerator, gas, pedal on the right. Starting the car. Press the clutch pedal all the way to the floor with your left foot. Turn the ignition key to start the engine, or press the clutch and brake if your car has a push start button. With the engine running, the car is in neutral. Engaging first gear. While keeping the clutch pedal fully depressed, move the gear shifter into the first gear position, usually to the left and up. This is known as putting the car in gear. Clutch bite point. Slowly release the clutch pedal until you feel a slight resistance or bite point. This is where the clutch plate starts to engage with the engine's flywheel. The car will start to move forward slowly if you give it some gas while releasing the clutch pedal. Be gentle with the accelerator. Balancing act. The key to clutch control is balancing the clutch pedal and the accelerator. As you release the clutch pedal, increase the throttle, press the gas pedal to maintain a smooth and controlled start. Shifting gears. To change gears, press the clutch pedal, move the gear shifter to the desired gear, and release the clutch pedal smoothly while giving it the right amount of gas. Practice shifting gears up and down as needed while maintaining smooth control. Stopping the car. When coming to a stop, press the clutch pedal and brake simultaneously to avoid stalling the engine. Practice. Practice is the key to mastering clutch control. Find a safe and quiet location, such as an empty parking lot, to practice starting, stopping, and shifting gears until you're comfortable with the process. Remember, it takes time to become proficient at clutch control, so don't rush. Gradually, you'll improve your coordination and become a confident manual transmission driver. It's essential to prioritize safety and follow traffic rules while driving. Do you prefer automatic or manual transmission car? Share your sentiments in the comment section, and remember to subscribe, share and like.